You're tickling Mila.
There's Johnny with Lexi.
There we are.
Well, you should have seen the TV we
Hi,
had out
Lexi.
of Howard.
Lexi,
Yeah.
that's Johnny.
Or whatever.
Yeah.
Where's the rest of your sucker?
Up
We
north.
sent it away.
Yeah. Oh, they had a flat screen on the wall.
Lexi's in the
Did they?
little
And they got
papoose.
jealous. They
We
said,
throw
"Oh,
away
you
the
get
rest
5
of the
channels." Well, I think 2 of them were weather news.
Oh, big yawn.
What?
Big yawn.
You want M&M's?
Time to rest.
You're gonna pop your finger, go pop.
It's a monkey face.
Hi, baby.
Did you get her monkey face?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, monkey face.
Cute.
Even goofy.
Where'd you learn how to do that? Or are you part monkey?
Are you part monkey?
Are you part monkey? Yeah. Monkey / princess. It's a good dichotomy there.
You missed me in this monkey face.
And what is the monkey sound? What's that? Cute. Cute.
That's my favorite.
That's your favorite.
Okay, hey, not while you're eating, okay? Finish eating. Chocolate everywhere as it is.
Yeah, a little seafood action.